Every seed carries a story. From the soil that roots it, to the hands that nurture it, to the tables it sustains, seed is resilience, innovation, survival. This is Inside the Seed Business, a journey behind the scenes of the people and places shaping our future, one seed at a time. Our first stop takes us to Russell, Manitoba. Here, a third-generation family has transformed their seed farm into one of the most advanced seed cleaning operations in Western Canada. Let's check out Keating Seed Co.
Okay, well, I'll move the tripod over here then, roughly, and move the light as well, and then we'll see how that goes. Our farm dates back 3 generations, and I'm the third, and I'm very fortunate to be doing what I am. And we have a history that goes back to the 1950s when my uncle got into the seed business.
They grow 10 crops for pedigreed seed production and over 20 different varieties.
Our newest offering would be, in this area, would likely be soybeans. Soybeans are an age-old crop, but for our area, they're a new crop.
The Keating name isn't just known for production, however. They operate a seed plant that specializes, as Mark says,
everything seed-related: production, processing, retail, seed treating, seed wholesale. I consider myself an entrepreneur that is heavily invested in the seed business, obviously, but at heart, I'm a farmer. I grew up on the farm. I'm committed to the farm, and that is where my heart lies, for sure.
3 years ago, the Keatings replaced their aging plant with a new seed processing facility. It wasn't just larger, it was built to handle seeds with a level of care that old technology just can't provide.
Behind me is our brand new facility, brand new as of roughly 3 years ago, a state-of-the-art seed cleaning facility, which is the most advanced in Western Canada. We built this new facility because our old facility simply wasn't suiting our needs. And by that, I mean, we weren't able to process the kinds of crops which we wanted to offer to our customers in this area.
The original plant had served its purpose over the long term, but as farming has changed and expectations shifted, the new facility is designed to meet today's seed cleaning needs. From speed,
this new facility has made a tremendous difference for us.
To capacity,
I honestly can't understand how we crammed so many bushels through our old facility.
To quality.
This new facility allows us to process the most delicate of seeds that are grown across the prairies, things like edible beans, soybeans, yellow peas. We can process all of those with the utmost care. We are being approached now to do custom processing of sensitive crops, soybeans, edible beans, rye, because we have the facility to do things properly.
But for Mark, the facility isn't only about technology. It's about the people who bring it to life.
I think a special moment for me really was the first day that we fired up, getting the lights on and all the machines running, and having our staff here taking part. I'm especially proud of our staff in their operation of the facility, and also the setup too. And it was just an incredibly proud moment.
So what gets Mark out of bed in the morning?
There's 2 things really. I enjoy business in general. I enjoy the challenge of operating business, and so that's a big part of it. But the other thing, on a bigger scale, really is all the value that the Canadian seed industry brings to Canadian farmers, but also society in general, is the role that we play, that our operation plays in our local community in helping our farmers grow the best crop ever.
With the new plant, Keating Seed Co. is redefining what a seed business can offer.
We're actually making a deliberate attempt to expand into the retail side of things and offering a higher level of service and higher quality product.
Even with cutting-edge technology, the heart of this story is still the soil and the family who has never stopped working it. This is Keating Seed Company, one of countless seed stories across the prairies, each shaping the future in ways we rarely see. And this is just the beginning.
Your best crop starts here.